Heal up.
All right.
You
No,
don't
you
care.
can't make me heal. How does
We
one
should
do
try and
this?
find this depot.
Could be a way out of here.
I'll show you a way out of here.
Peter, Army's still at Riverside, waiting for you at the depot. We finished the truck. Hurry.
Dude.
I'm ready.
Go back
You
to.
ready?
No zombies. Go back to Portrait. Cool story, bro.
Guys, baseball.
P.S. I'm fat. Jesus, lady.
Will you knock it off?
Jesus. Oh, it's all cursive. I can't read cursive. How I ever got past the 3rd grade, I'll never know.
Y'all ready to roll?
No. First blood!
Nice. Good.
First blood.
It's skipping over my melee weapon.
Hey!
I have the better melee weapon.
Baseball bat.
Oh, you're killing my kills. My axe needs to feed.
I don't approve.
Where's the loot?
Oh, incoming attack, dude.
Nuh-uh.
Guys, if I'm gonna play more.
Oh!
Go, stack up.
Oh, guys, help! 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 God, I'm
Oh no, jockey! Oh no!
How am I already
Guys!
so
Guys!
Alright, hold on. I gotta reload, dude. I gotta reload.
There's a spitter! I'm dead. That? They killed me. I don't know what that accomplished. Ow.
I'm also very dead.
Lewis. Lewis! Heal me! Useless AI.
Come on, man. Look
Lewis
at me.
doesn't feel like it.
Focus. I'm gonna be okay. Let's go.
Bandage in my legs.
I saw my defense, so.
I'll show you a defib.
I
Where's
would
the
rather
fun
look up-
shotguns?
Weapons over
I
here.
have a good shotgun.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. The spaz is very hard, very low high drop rate.
Dylan, you should really like, you know.
light up. Got
I'm a
weapon
man.
here.
Oh, we got a witch.
Oh,
Where?
man.
Just
I
here.
just realized I'm actually bleeding out.
Just walk up and spray her.
Oh, God.
You didn't walk up.
Guys,
I did.
need some help.
There's a lot of
Zoe!
important.
You kind of just like walk. You just kind of like
You
walked mid-range
plus
and
you.
shatter.
She dead?
I don't feel so hot.
Yes, she's dead.
Guys,
Zoe, you are not.
Sucker.
I did it! I saved him!
Quit shooting me.
according to Zoe, she's not that hot apparently.
What? I don't know.
No, she's not feeling so hot.
I'd hit that like the forest moon of Endor.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a
There's a
pipe.
pipe bomb here.
There's a butt bomb.
Yeah.
This accuracy.
Reloading.
My Left 4 Dead just closed.
Watch out.
Crap, bird, no. You would die.
Come on, man.
Yeah, my Left 4 Dead closed.
You left the
That
game.
wasn't necessary.
Yeah.
But
Can you rejoin a mini game?
I
Yeah.
am in bad shape.
Why wouldn't he be able to? That'd be pretty fucking stupid.
I forgot. Let's keep on moving with my baseball bat. My baseball bat.
Reloading.
My baseball bat. Oh, a fire axe. That's way better than a baseball.
I think I just overkilled the undead.
Reloading.
That's unheard of. Eh. Eh. Eh.
Look out.
Stop serpentining! Get shot. Oh, hello.
Oh, another med pack. I'll take that.
Anyone find a disgusting thing about this picture right here?
Come on. Where's Bill? Hey, Bill.
I know we gotta move, but I gotta heal you.
Bill. How you doing? Just saying, Bill's heal when you get back. Spaz 12.
Weapons
Take
here.
it.
Zombie! You escaped the wrath!
I'm here.
No, you're not.
Fully healed and ready to go.
Oh, we got a, I think that's a, I'm not sure what that was. I can't remember the
This container.
want to say it was a smoker, but I'm not sure on that. It could be that.
Got it.
Gross. I've never seen one of their backs completely torn open.
Oh, guys,
I got it.
Guys, I found explosive ammo. Who wants it?
The jockey was just like, I don't.
I
I'm
just
like, I want
disconnected from the server now.
What the heck? Protect bird.
What the shit?
Protect bird.
I was trying to freaking download Helm's Deep again.
What?
Oh, Steam, you sneaky bastard.
God damn it, Steam.
Hold
Oh my
up.
god, dude.
Oh, now you left.
Explosive ammo for everybody.
Hold on, add-ons. Can I stop you?
You should be able. Or just unsubscribe to it and it should, like, take it away.
Windows, download. It says it's paused. On Steam.
But it's not.
Tank! Run, David, run! My name's Dylan. I'm not David.
Oh no.
I'm hurt.
Yeah, you are.
I still have a defib.
Oh, it's a hunter.
Well, no
And a
one
boom.
died yet. I'm about to.
We got a whore.
Over that
Never
truck.
mind.
Hey, what's that?
Well, I thought
Oh,
that's just the thing.
I'm taking
Oh,
this.
it's a whore. Oh, never mind. We're good.
I'm gonna whack everybody with this.
She has the lowest health for the boomer.
Go.
But
Let's
the
go through the
boomer,
junkyard.
I'm pretty sure you can just tickle him and he'll die.
Yes, burn, burn.
That's pretty sadistic of you.
I'm
Do you want to talk about it, Nate?
Mm.
You sure?
It's not like I'm an ex-firefighter or anything. Kaboom.
It's kind of ironic because you just started one.
Exactly. I put out so many fires. I felt like I should.
Oh,
start.
I think it's the ending.
Oh, it is.
It's only
Yeah.
2 parts.
Yeah, this one was really short.
Blasted eye.
Let's get in that truck, step
wait,
on
wait,
the
wait.
gas, and not stop. Watch where you're
'Cause
shooting.
this is the car we escape. This is the car we escape on. Okay.
Oh.
Get to the area first.
Oh, there's a minigun. Wanted.
I'm dead.
Oh, I ran
Oh,
it.
you got rid of
Okay, break time's
Lewis,
up. Let's get
go.
you on your feet
Lewis, shut
and back to work.
His accuracy is too strong.
I'm gonna.
Oh, he's gonna heal me after I said a racial slur to you? You're so nice.
Watch my back, please.
Good guy, Lewis. Alright, guys, out here, dude. Out here. We
What?
got a.
I'd rather have the
Ammo.
minigun.
We have ammo and health packs.
I'd rather have the minigun. Oh.
I have defibrillators apparently.
Weapons over here.
You guys should come up here.
Alright, we can't put that. I'm gonna shut the generator.
Run like hail! Why do I have a sniper? I don't want this. I really don't want this.
Why does it say
I could now
rescue?
shot that, but
Why
whatever.
does he say rescue is coming? We're rescuing ourselves.
This is gonna be good.
Because Valve's lazy.
Get him, bro. Woo!
How do you zoom with this thing? I've never picked up a sniper.
Click the scroll wheel.
You hate
Die!
Melt him, dude. Melt him.
Help him. Wait, Dylan, does this thing overheat? Oh god!
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I don't care anymore.
That's the problem with it. That's the problem with the minigun.
Not even that good.
No, not really.
Just has infinite ammo.
Oh, guys. I mean, I think I just got proposed to.
Yeah, the air. I just got proposed to.
Did anyone else just see that thing jump and die?
I'll head out here real quick.
No scope! Call of Duty!
Reloading.
I just
You know what would make Left 4 Dead better if it was more like Call of Duty?
Yeah.
No.
Oh no! Crap! Crap!
Dead, bro.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Mine in.
How
Oh,
the
Charger!
heck-
Ow. Ow.
That's why you don't go alone, bro.
I'm dead.
Oh, god damn it, guys.
Ow. 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 Ow.
Oh, now you got a fucking tank.
Guys,
Dang
I
it,
don't,
a
I
spitter's
can't
on
live
me.
in this world anymore.
He's gone. He's
Lois,
gone.
come on, Lois.
Man, we'll try and save you, but
Yes, thank you, Lewis.
it's an off.
Thank you, Lewis.
Oh, he's going man mode, dude.
Oh no, tank!
Oh god.
I got 3 health. Damn.
Oh,
I just ate a rock. I'll be helpful.
I do not know it. Man mode
Lewis, you're
attack.
such a good guy. Oh, Fred, you just flew away. Get Lewis. Yeah. Did we win?
Man mode, half like that. Oh, this is Hunter. Come on, Hunter, man mode. What you got?
I'm gonna die horribly.
I have a med pack.
I got
Oh,
defibrillators. Someone should probably
I'm
trade.
actually gonna give it to Dylan though, because he has the med pack.
Me defibrillators.
Yeah, he has the defibrillator.
I love you,
So
man.
it's actually more important than you. I'm sorry.
Haha!
Aren't you cool?
It's because you're a woman.
Yeah, because you're Zoe.
Hey, at least she's still better than Rochelle.
Oh, we're gonna get to later.
She said she's not that hot looking, so.
Oh God, Lewis.
Oh no. No.
I think you just saved that black.
So Jenner, cover me, guys. Ah!
Alright, I do not like this sniper thing you
Help
have.
me, I'm getting pummeled.
Someone needs to restart the
Guys, it's really dark.
That's dead.
Okay, I'm here.
Man, he watched me. Find Dylan.
Is there a health pack anywhere?
Guys, I'm in the middle. You gotta cover me. I'm gonna activate it.
Teamwork!
Yeah, I have 1 health. I'm surprised I'm not dead yet.
I'll throw down a boomer bile when the next wave spawns.
Oh god.
A blue file.
I'm just limping everywhere. Oh, I'm dead now.
Oh God.
Really? A hunter too?
I know. Hey, what? Oh, you must
They want they want your D.
Oh, next time I go down, I'm dead.
It's because
I'm charging on Lewis.
oh, Lewis took the hit for you, Nate.
Oh, my. Wrong. Help me, guys. Get off me. Help me. I'm down. Doug, cover me.
I am!
Guys, I found a health pack.
Guys.
Get up, Lewis, get up.
Get you back up. Get you moving again.
Almost done. We think we have 1 more tank to go.
Yeah, I got full health, so we're good.
I am dying.
I have a defibrillator.
Get up here. Get up here.
1 health.
No, get up here.
T-Rap, you can't talk. You never played this.
Oh god, no.
Reloading!
Oh, I need this Molotov.
Don't focus me, please. Oh, I dodged the rock.
Eat it.
Oh, he's on fire. Yeah, focus on. No.
I got a defibrillator.
Help me out, bro. Help me out.
Everything's on fire.
Help me out, bro.
Lift down! Get the goddamn...
Hey, get Wilson.
Lewis, I gotta save you,
You're
bro.
alive. Oh, I'm black blade. If I go down again, I'm dead. Everybody in.
Down like this again.
Wait, who's gonna drive?
Who cares? Get your
No, you can't. You're a woman.
Lewis, please.
Lewis, stop. You're drunk.
Actually, sacrifice.
Wait, the old-fashioned armor.
We won
Yeah.
by the skin of our teeth.
Actually, sacrifice himself.
Why?